Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Ghosting and a lack of attention in relationships can lead to significant emotional distress, leaving individuals feeling abandoned, confused, and unworthy. The sudden disappearance of someone we care about can trigger feelings of rejection and self-doubt, making it challenging to navigate our emotions. This distress often manifests as anxiety, sadness, or anger, which can hinder our ability to form new connections. However, it is crucial to recognize that while these experiences are painful, they also present an opportunity for growth. Transforming negative energy into positive action is essential for healing. Instead of dwelling on the hurt, we can channel our feelings into self-improvement and empowerment. This shift in perspective allows us to reclaim our sense of self-worth and resilience. By focusing on personal development, we can cultivate a mindset that attracts healthier relationships. Setting the stage for practical strategies to regain confidence involves several steps. First, it's important to practice self-care and engage in activities that bring joy and fulfillment. Additionally, surrounding ourselves with supportive friends and family can provide the encouragement needed to move forward. Lastly, developing clear communication skills and setting boundaries can help us establish more meaningful connections in the future. By embracing these strategies, we can transform our experiences and foster positive relationships that uplift us. Ghosting, defined as the abrupt cessation of communication without explanation, can have profound effects on an individual's self-esteem and emotional well-being. When someone we care about suddenly disappears, it can lead to feelings of worthlessness and confusion, as we often internalize the rejection. This lack of closure can exacerbate emotional turmoil, leaving us questioning our value and desirability. The pain of ghosting is often compounded by feelings of doubt and anxiety as we replay interactions in our minds, searching for clues that might explain the sudden silence. This cycle of overthinking can create a toxic loop of self-blame and insecurity, making it difficult to move forward. Breakups, whether through ghosting or more traditional means, can evoke similar emotional responses. The grief associated with the end of a relationship can manifest as sadness, anger, and a sense of loss, impacting our daily lives and mental health. It is crucial to acknowledge and process these emotions rather than suppress them. Validating our feelings allows us to understand the depth of our experiences and fosters healing. Engaging in self-reflection, journaling, or seeking support from friends or professionals can facilitate this process. By confronting and processing these emotions, we can begin to rebuild our self-esteem and pave the way for healthier relationships in the future. Transforming negative emotions into motivation can be a powerful catalyst for personal growth. When faced with pain, it's essential to recognize that this discomfort can serve as a driving force for change. Instead of allowing negative feelings to consume us, we can channel that energy into self-improvement. One effective strategy is to set specific, achievable goals that align with our passions and values. This could involve pursuing a new hobby, enhancing skills through online courses, or committing to a fitness routine. Engaging in these activities not only distracts from negative emotions, but also fosters a sense of accomplishment and purpose. Exploring new interests can open doors to fresh experiences and connections, further enriching our lives. Additionally, understanding the concept of energy transformation is crucial. Negative emotions, when acknowledged and processed, can be converted into positive energy that attracts uplifting experiences. This shift in mindset allows us to approach challenges with resilience and optimism. Practicing gratitude and mindfulness can also help in this transformation, as they encourage us to focus on the present and appreciate the positives in our lives. By actively working to convert pain into motivation, we empower ourselves to create a fulfilling life, ultimately attracting positive experiences and relationships that resonate with our newfound energy. Creating an empowering morning routine can significantly enhance self-confidence and set a positive tone for the day ahead. One effective tool for boosting self-esteem is the use of affirmations. By starting each day with positive statements about ourselves, we can reinforce our self-worth and cultivate a mindset geared toward success. For instance, repeating phrases like, "I am capable," or "I embrace challenges" can help shift our perspective and build resilience. In addition to affirmations, incorporating gratitude practices into our morning routine can foster a positive mindset. Taking a few moments to reflect on what we are thankful for can shift our focus from negativity to appreciation, enhancing our overall outlook on life. This simple act can create a sense of abundance and joy, making it easier to tackle the day's challenges. Furthermore, setting micro goals is an excellent way to maintain focus and motivation throughout the day. By breaking larger tasks into smaller, manageable objectives, we can create a clear roadmap for our day. This approach not only helps us stay organized, but also provides a sense of accomplishment as we check off each goal. Together, these steps, affirmations, gratitude practices, and micro goals, can transform our mornings into a powerful foundation for personal growth and success. Incorporating physical movement into our daily routine is essential for enhancing both energy and magnetism. Engaging in regular physical activity not only boosts our physical health, but also plays a significant role in elevating our mood and overall energy levels. When we move our bodies, we stimulate the release of endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones, which can lead to improved mood and a sense of well-being. This natural boost in energy can make us feel more vibrant and alive, allowing us to approach our day with enthusiasm and positivity. Simple activities such as walking or stretching can be easily integrated into our daily lives and are effective ways to keep energy flowing. A brisk walk, whether outdoors or on a treadmill, can invigorate both the body and mind, providing a refreshing break from routine tasks. Stretching, on the other hand, helps to release tension and improve flexibility, promoting a sense of relaxation and alertness. By making movement a priority, we not only enhance our physical health, but also cultivate a magnetic presence that attracts positive experiences and connections. Ultimately, embracing physical activity as a regular part of our lives empowers us to feel more energized, confident, and engaged in our daily pursuits. Incorporating evening practices into our daily routine can significantly reinforce positive beliefs and intentions, setting the stage for a fulfilling tomorrow. One effective method is the use of incantations, which are powerful spoken affirmations designed to program the subconscious mind. By repeating these affirmations with conviction, we can reshape our thought patterns and beliefs, fostering a more positive self-image and outlook on life. This practice not only helps to eliminate negative self-talk, but also instills a sense of empowerment and purpose. Additionally, visualization plays a crucial role in manifesting desired outcomes and nurturing positive relationships. Taking a few moments each evening to vividly imagine our goals and the connections we wish to cultivate can create a mental blueprint that guides our actions. This technique allows us to align our subconscious with our aspirations, making it easier to attract the experiences we desire. Furthermore, it's essential to assume positive attention from others. By believing that we are worthy of love, respect, and admiration, we open ourselves up to receiving these affirmations from those around us. This mindset shift can enhance our interactions and relationships, creating a supportive environment that nurtures our growth. By integrating these evening practices, we can reinforce our positive beliefs and intentions, paving the way for a brighter future. In summary, we've explored the vital concept of transforming pain into personal power, emphasizing that our struggles can serve as catalysts for growth and resilience. By acknowledging our emotions and channeling them into positive actions, we can reclaim our self-worth and foster healthier relationships. We discussed practical routines such as empowering morning practices that include affirmations, gratitude, and setting micro goals, as well as evening rituals that reinforce positive beliefs through incantations and visualization. These techniques not only enhance our energy and magnetism, but also create a supportive framework for personal development. I encourage you to implement these routines into your daily life, as they can significantly impact your mindset and overall well-being. Remember, the journey of personal empowerment is ongoing, and every small step counts. If you found this content valuable, I invite you to engage further by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Your support helps us create more empowering content tailored to your growth. Additionally, feel free to explore our other videos, where we delve deeper into various strategies for enhancing your life and mindset. Together, we can cultivate a community focused on personal empowerment and transformation. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next session.